Yeah man, there say cut. I was just about to cut some bush them around at the farm. Cause don't want the wild bush them take them over, but you have something taking place right there right now, so can't do no work right there right now, so I have to go wait a little. So right now, let's take a one little break and me go look some mango, Cause today just I take a update on the farm and just take a look around on some new ways how you can plant, discover that you can even plant into some old fridge. Yeah, you see it when you finish and you get there. Yeah man, I saw some unique way of planting, people planting into old fridge and them things. Yeah, you gotta see how it look great. Yeah man, and we just gonna take a look around the farm and them things. Yeah, I know a town with this still. Big up all country people, because I know when you set it without when I eat, because we can't plant yam and them things down there. We just try grow where we eat and eat where we grow. Yeah man, watch his team, so stay tuned for that. Yes, my peep, see it? Color look cut already, look like someone cut the color. I hope it was a lady, and I hope it was a lady or Patrick. Somebody got permission. Okay, alright, what is team? So right now, see pepper them there. You see them already? The thing you grow up fast, in space of 1 week you come is the next thing again. See there, lot of pepper on the tree. Pepper coming, Yeah, the pepper them growing. So by now next week, pepper we are pick off of the tree and everything there. Yeah man, pepper bud. Yeah man, see them there? 2 more pepper there. See them? Pepper them there. Yeah, pepper coming. Someone cut the color low, but see me can get a bungalow tight today. A cook for the show today, So we have to cook some color low. We have to get some ackee. If we not get ackee, we have to go do it to the saltfish. So yeah man, see somebody cut them, right. So then they big and up. See color here. And then cut, see pepper them there. Yeah, them one move slow, them one I want to plant the ground itself. Yeah, the soil for the ground not too perfect, So, but it'll come up still, so better we use some container and them thing there and get some soil and plant them. So, right now, see the pepper them still coming up. See tomato them here. So, we having tomato to eat, because them are come on perfect, see. Look like somebody did a good job of tying them up right there. Yeah. Very soon you have tomato, This one here need to get some stick like them there, them though. Yeah man, soil not too bad because at least them still growing. A little pack char there, still one left, still springing up, You plant more than that, but you notice something them off most of it. Yeah, well, I get some more planted than it. Yeah. Strictly organic, so I think I get a bongo from them one here. Take a bongo from this. Yeah man. Before I left I get a bongo out of it. Make them spring up back, see if them are going to grow up in the fish. Pepper them up. Lot of pepper coming, Right now I just come to get a bongo of the color, Get a bongo of the color, Then I cut them to the last one on my bottom, I'll cut them up. See when I cut them, Cut some color there, Cut that one about right to the bottom, Let me spring up back nice. Carry it home, go steam some color, Teacher get ready, so my time home for plant it and I get. The pepper them around here, but them are getting nice and big, you know. And I can't pick one too, you know. Can't warm one it, you know. Yeah. Everything from the farm today. The bunga then color yeah. One full of worm, so. Alright, see callaloo here. Can't warm the callaloo here now. Breakfast setting in the morning, you know, so. Yeah, one green pepper for the farm. Yes, my peeps, you know. They are set up around at the back part there, so at the garden. And you know, say bush them around there, they do and cut up on them thing. Yeah, but on the side, so I have to go wait because I have something I keep right there, so I have to go wait till them gone, totally gone. So right now, you see how the pepper them are grow up on the farm and them thing there, do nicely. Callaloo cut and them thing the callaloo cut already. Right now, some mango me out here looking at whole heap of mango there. Yeah, mango time now, so yeah, I look some mango. I have picked two of them already still, I picked a couple of them already. And and zinc right so. And a stick I use a while ago and pick a couple of them. Yeah. I don't want too much, you know, because one thing with them mango here, the money are easy for soft up. Yeah, some love pick them when them turn. Them easy for soft. Don't remember with them mango your name for Bambi or yeah, right. I'm gonna put on this and pick it. I don't want it chopped. Drop. Nice mango here for you. Mango them enough, you know. Yeah, I wanna look nice. I brush that one right away, you know. Yeah, as I say, pepper them growing up nicely. And the callaloo them cut already. And if you spring up again, so you know say go home, go cook the callaloo and them something there. Go home, go cook the callaloo, but you're probably not gonna see the whole thing. Because we're just gonna show you when we finish it and everything. Because yeah. And them I will do for now, because can make us some mango juice too, you know, but one of them in a weekend they will see, but probably we just eat these now. Who knows, I go home and make some mango juice. So you see where I go on for the next show, you know, watch this thing. Right down here, so we are going to check on them banana, yeah. Check on some banana across this way. Yeah. Check on some banana. What them are going with. Oh, the banana, them stay up. Like, they are country though. Yeah man, them banana you look fit. Banana you look fit and ready, see them now? Banana you look nice and ready, like now I can go and fit up some more. That not really so ready up, you know. Nice banana that. Alright, yeah, so have more banana around us. More banana, what is more banana they must shoot up. Banana they must shoot up right now. So I go on. So it's still a little farm, yeah. Go on. Yeah, I'm gonna show you an idea when you reach home of how you can farm in a fridge. Yeah, I saw it too, you know. Saw some nice techniques with some farming to the fridge are going on. So when we reach home I show you, because right now the banana them coming up. Yeah, banana them a shoot. Banana them a shoot up in over here. Yeah. Oh, yeah man. So when we reach home I show you an idea of how you can plant without planting in the direct ground itself. You can get some kind of container I'm gonna show you. You're gonna be shocked. Yeah, like people planting into fridge, some old fridge. I'm gonna show you. It makes sense now. Say, yeah, how am I did walk? Like me I go up on country though. I told me them man. Told me they come off of the banana plantation down there, so yeah man. You see it. Look, banana and planting, we just see a shoot. Alright. So I make my way back, you know. Let me just get the mango them. I just got the mango them right here. So. Yeah. So as I was saying, I'm gonna show you an idea of how you can plant without planting in the direct ground itself. You know, like in containers and them something like in container. So this will show you. As I saw, I went to my auntie the other day to buy something because she sells some things in the yard. And I was trying to see how they was planting color on them thing there, and it looked nice. It was in some old fridge. Yeah, old fridge. It makes sense. It make no sense talking about it. So we are gonna show you when we reach. Check it out when we reach. So we still left a good amount of mango. You see them? Mango up there, man. Mango hide up there. Mango there everywhere. And this is just one tree, you know. It's just one tree. Because as you can look over that side, right here, there's a bunch of mango trees over that side. You see them? A lot of mango coming. And not to mention there's a lot of blackie over that side, over that side. A lot of black mangoes over that side. So yeah man. Yeah, man, the banana them down here so look nice, and the mango them a come up. Yeah man, mango them enough in a tree. You can make juice and eat. Yeah man, this is just a couple of the trees here. Yeah man, what you think? I will say next time you see me, and when we are going to show you the farm. Yeah, so next time that you see me, I show you how them plant the things in the fridge. And it look good. We're gonna show you soon. Soon reach man, what you said. What you think? Just get to black mango on the next side. You know what you call black mango? Blacky mango. And the skin you can eat. there. This is where we get. Let me get the mango. Mango all about on the ground, you know. Then the rough blacky always. Black mango tree. Mango the fine ground. Yeah, see them people. Fridge this, you know. Fridge them plants, you know. See color of them. You see the settings. See let pop over this and the color low. And banana and everything. See the fridge. Fridge them are planting, you know. You see fridge them line off people. See there. Fridge them here, you know. Grow lettuce and yeah man a fridge man, see there. Right in the fridge them there. See settings. Yeah. And up banana over here so too man. Farm look nice in a town, yeah. See banana there. Yeah, some more fridge over there so. See what going over here. Yeah, fridge over here. Yeah. Love the settings. More fridge over there so. You see them use the whole fridge. So you never get to see the color when I get from the farm when I finish it and in thing there. So see some my color on the banana here. Yeah, the color for the farm. Because the phone charging port on the phone did kind of run out, so never get. Right now I'm a Sunday, what you call it, Tuesday, Wednesday, no, my Monday, Tuesday this, can go work for my lunch, so this one left out of it. I never get to see it because the phone, the charging port, see it. Today I have to get it repaired. Today I have to get the phone repaired, you know. Charging port was working, you know, so get the phone back fixed and them thing there. So lucky thing me get a one shot off it today, right in time, you know. Yeah, color off for the farm. That is it.